I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact redeem code type and the target platform. This determines which account and app you need. Once done, sign in or create the platform account with an email. Avoid linking bank details. Make sure your device, app, and the code are at hand and your Wi-Fi is stable. You do this because different platforms validate differently. Preparing prevents failed attempts and locked codes, and it lets you proceed straight to the redeem interface without detours. You now open the platform's redeem or wallet section and choose the correct destination for the credit. Enter the code exactly, copy and paste to avoid mistakes, then confirm details like region or account type. Many systems block mismatched regions. If prompted, choose between account credit, subscription payment, or a specific in-app item. Take a moment to read the confirmation message so you know why funds apply to that destination. This prevents misapplied credits that are hard to reverse. You finish by confirming the credit or item appears in your account. Check wallet balance and open the gifted item. If it's not visible, log out and back in or restart the app. Caching often hides updates. If redemption fails, verify the code's validity, region restrictions, and expiration. These are the most common causes. If problems persist, contact platform support with a screenshot of the code, purchase receipt, and account email so they can resolve it without needing bank details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.